Question 8. Methanol can be manufactured in reverse reaction shown by the equation. Still explain the effect of using catalyst on the yield on methanol in this equilibrium. Now obviously, if you even should know by equilibrium that catalysts have no effect on yield. However, this one's a bit weird because normally they just actually to state the effect of using catalyst, no effect. But in this case it says state and explain why. So one mark for no effect on yield, another mark for why. Well, because it increases the rate of forward reactions and reverse reactions equally, hence there's going to be no effect. Give an expression for the equilibrium constant Kc. Remember Kc is square bracket, so Kc equals square brackets of products over reactants CH3OH over CO H2, and that because there's 2 moles of it, it's going to be squared. Kc equals CH3OH square brackets over COH2 squared, and then these last 2 parts of the question. A mixture of carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and nitrogen reach equilibrium. A volume of that, we're definitely going to need to use that. A mixture containing this much at equilibrium, that calculate value of Kc. So Kc is going to be, well, CH3OH methanol 0.0610. However, what we're trying to find is a concentration. Moles is concentration and volume. Concentration is moles divided by volume. So it's going to be this divided by 0.250. I already know it's in 250 centimeters cubed. We want it in mole per dm cubed, or mole to power. Yeah, we want to, anyway, what we want to do is we need to divide by 1000. So we get 0.250. Okay, so it's going to be this divided by that, the moles divided by the volume, and same for the rest of them. Carbon monoxide 0.340 divided by 0.250 times by, I don't need to show this as well, of hydrogen 0.190 divided by 0.250, and then this little trick, hydrogen squared, so don't forget to square it. This will give me the value of Kc. I get Kc 0.311, and it already gives us the units. However, sometimes I do ask to calculate the units, but in this case it doesn't. And then it says methanol decomposes heat in a reaction at the reverse of that using this manufacturer. Use your answer for question 8.3 to determine the value of Kc. This was a pretty nice one because it's telling you use your answer from question 8.3, and it tells you that it's the reverse. But sometimes they just show you this equation, and if you compare them, it is literally just flipped over. It's the reverse. So to find out the Kc for this, all it's going to be is 1 over the Kc value of this equation. But sometimes they don't tell you, so you do need to spot it. And I get 3.22. What I actually get is 3.215, and round it to 3 significant figures. The units of Kc, well, the original units of this reaction, this, and this one's the reverse, so all it's going to be is the same, 1 over mole to power minus 2 dm6. So it's going to be opposite of mole to power minus 2, mole to power 2 dm6. power minus 6 mol to power 2 dm to power minus 6. And that is the end of question 8.